loud until Nigel comes down and turns down.
Right.
Yep. Okay, go on, go.
Who were the two? Did you do it before? Yeah, really? I didn't know that. More of a trumpet person on YouTube. I just thought you were... I know you didn't find the guy. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm looking at a different lineup.